Getting out of Tier 10 is the easiest and fastest to get out of. If you don't know what Tier 10 is, when you sell on Amazon Merch on Demand, they limit the number of designs a content creator can sell based on a tier system. In order to move up from the 10th tier, you will need to sell at least 10 products from those created to move up to the 25 tier and so forth. One of the most asked questions in Amazon Merch is, how do I get out of Tier 10? Or help me with Tier 10. My number one advice to get out of Tier 10 is to buy 10 of your own products. You are allowed to purchase your own products, and doing so will count towards your sales for tiering up. At $13.07 each shirt, times 10, this will cost you $100.70. I understand that not everyone can easily afford the $130, but you should consider it an investment in your Amazon business. If you compare this investment to what you can potentially make selling on Amazon, it is not expensive at all. If you do not have the money to buy your own shirts, try to borrow it from someone, find creative ways to get it, or sell the shirts. You can purchase the shirts and try to resell them, which is what I did. Try to find a buyer before you buy the product so you don't have inventory laying around. You can make shirts for a sports team or a business. I bought my own shirts and made t-shirts for a band I was part of and made my money back by selling the shirts at one of our concerts. If you are able to resell the shirts, you will have tiered up faster for free and possibly with a profit. The positives of buying your own shirts to tier up is that you are able to tier up to tier 25 without playing the painful game of trying to organically sell 10 shirts as a beginner. With 25 designs, you have 25 total chances of getting organic sales. This means you will be able to test more designs, niches, and trends, which is important for learning what sells on Amazon. Also, if you buy one of your own designs that is a trend or evergreen, it will get a BSR score and can potentially continue to sell, adding to the sales required to tier up to tier 100. There is no other tier where you can move up to the next tier for the price of $130. You can do it at higher tiers, but it will cost you a lot more money. Because getting past tier 10 is important in jumpstarting your Amazon Merch on Demand account, this is a bargain if you have a plan for it. If you do buy your own shirts or sell 10 shirts organically, it could take weeks or months to tier up. Do not just simply wait. You can keep researching and designing so when the day comes, you'll be ready to upload right away. Thank you for watching.